Happy New Year and welcome to day one of the 2021 Drive for History here at Wheels Through Time. We figured what better way to start off the new year and the new season than to fire up this 1921 Harley-Davidson factory board track racer. Today, this machine turns 100 years old. Now what we're looking at, guys, is one of the rarest and most significant racing motorcycles on the planet today. Serial number 1, preserved in original condition, and it's the only one of its type. Now, Harley-Davidson's factory racing machines at this time, no brakes, no clutch, wrapped into specially constructed keystone frames to drop the motor low. This bike, again, guys, so incredibly well preserved and in completely original condition. Original headstock decal right up here on the front. Some of the striping on the fork is still present. This bike sits on original 100-year-old Firestone racing tires, so it just doesn't get much better than this when it comes to racing machines. So the engine, guys, 500cc factory racing engine. At this time, Harley-Davidson was building mostly twin-cylinder machines. In order to get into the smaller displacement classes, Harley-Davidson actually used their twin-cylinder engine case, but built the engine as just a single cylinder. So 500 cc's packed into the front cylinder, alcohol carburetor here. It's a single cam racing engine, magneto ignition. Now we've got the bike oiled up and gassed up. The bike hasn't run in a few years, so we're gonna hope it pops right off, and you guys get to hear one of the most incredible machines here at the museum run today. So here we go. Pedal start motorcycle. So you pedal that thing past compression and hopefully it just roars right to life. So here we are. That thing just barely putt over. And there you have it, guys, the one-of-a-kind 1921 100-year-old, as of today, Harley-Davidson SCA racer. Now, Drive for History is coming up all this winter and spring. Make sure you guys tune in. Check out our Facebook, our YouTube, driveforhistory.com. We got all sorts of new and awesome content about the dozens of machines, hundreds of machines, the stories, the people, the places, and of course, the motorcycles that make Wheels Through Time what it is, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on Drive for History next time.